Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So before we get started, if you have not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. Yesterday, right? We did analysis on other pairs like the Euro, USD. I told you guys that we would be ranging on the 4-hour time frame under Euro USD, which actually added that movement. Same thing with our USD JPY, where I told you that we would have like a pullback that will give us a bullish move. Now we actually added that movement. I purposely did not do any analysis on this GBPUSD, right? One of the reason I did not actually do that analysis, but I am doing it today, right, is that if you take a look at this moment, right, you see that it looks like GBPUSD wants to start giving us a bearish move. So when you take a look at the moment at first, you see that price is bullish, right? Of course, we all know higher highs and higher lows. We are seeing it, right? We can also see that this price was trading above our 10 period moving average, and I do use this moving average to guide, and I do tell you guys that once you are seeing an uptrend move and you see this price is trading above the moving average, right, then clearly that is a buy opportunity. Though this is still an uptrend move, but what we clearly can see here is that price is trading this uh below our 10 period moving average. That is why I say it looks like this GBP USD wants to start giving us a bearish move. So anyhow you want to see it, right, we very much likely to get a drop to take out to this level of 1.19. We can see that GBP USD is currently trading at 1.20, right? GBP USD is trading at 1.20. So let's see it, drop further to a level of 1.19. So we should expect further movement. This is what I'm expecting. So if eventually this GBP USD can drop to this level, then I'll be watching out for, like, will I call it a bullish move or a pullback, as you would want to see it. One of the reasons why I would be expecting a rejection at this level on GBP USD is that when you take a look at this movement, first of all, you see something like this, that there is a drop, right, and here comes to there is a pullback, right, here happens to be a pullback, then you get a drop, and we all know that price do react at a level it's if you see that price have react to a level previously, right, and price is close to that level, there's every possibility that price will get to that level and price will react to that level. So we can see that price has once given us a pullback at this level. We saw price went up, gave us a pullback, then continue its bullish move, right? No doubt about that. Now price is dropping, so we should kind of like expect this price to drop to the same level. Then price should now react. Will price continue to give us that bullish move upward, or will it just give us a pullback and continue that drop? Then I'm going to update you guys on that later soon. Though we will have to watch out on how price will play out, and what news will be released, so we would know where this movement will be made. But first of all, technically, if you are to examine it technically, you will see that this price would want to drop to a level of 1.19 before we have this spike on. So I just don't know how you want to place this trade, but one thing I know is that we should see a drop first, then price should now spike up. So will you continue to sell till you get to this level, or we let it get to this level, then when it is giving you the bullish move, you can go ahead to go long? The decision is up to you. So you should know how you place your trade, or how you want to use your go ahead, to use or apply your strategy you have, right? So that is what I have on GBPUSD. Now, one of the reason, another reason why I'm saying this we would have price to drop a little bit before we have this spike up is that when we take a look at this our USD index, now go to the 4-hour time frame, right? You see that price is kind of ranging. So you see that price reacted here, right? So price also reacted here, right? So you see that price reacted to the same level, right? Price has also reacted to the same level. Now this USD index is giving us a bullish move. So we expect it to give us a little bit of a bullish move before we kind of have that drop, right? So as this USD index will give us a little bit of bullish move, this is one of the reasons why I told you guys that I would be speculating or expecting a drop on this GBP to USD. Then once that USD index or DXY or our USD starts dropping, then we would now expect this GBP to give us that bullish move. So one of the reasons why I'm expecting or watching out for GBP to USD to drop a little bit before it's continue its bullish move. Now when you take a look at this forward time frame, so you can still see the forward time frame is giving us that bearish move. So let's continue that bearish move on the forward time frame. So we should expect this drop, and yet would be a pullback. Then we should expect this drop. Let's see if this drop will drop a little bit, then we should now kind of have that pullback like that I am expecting that, and I told you guys what we'll be expecting. We should kind of see like a drop, and maybe then price can go ahead to give us a pullback. If price will continue to give us that bullish move, then I'll let you guys to know, and if it will continue to drop, then I'm going to let you guys to know. However, we're still on a bearish move, and we can still see this price, it is still trading below our moving average. So one thing we should watch out for is actually to go ahead and sell on GBP USD.